activity. Students, today we are going to make a bookmark. Take a card sheet strip. Write A to Z letter on it in sequence. Decorate it, color it, and gift it to your friends. Group activity. Now we are going to play an interesting game. Just follow my instructions. Make a group of 2 to 10 students. Using these letters, try to make words. I will distribute the letters. Each student will get one letter. Try to make pair with your friend or other students so you can form word. Let's start. Group A. My, my. Go, go. Ox, ox. Me. He. Group B. Cow, cow. Man, not. Top, top. Pen, ink. Group C. Four, fo. More, mo. Cock, cock. Give. Then. Call, call. Book, book. Group D. Thing, phone. Clock. Chief. Group. Group E. Flower. Modern. Monkey. Mobile. Orange. Group F. Peacock. Partner. Group G. Congrats. Children. Group H. Beautiful. Group I. Production. Very good, children.